How to export video as MP4 in Davinci Resolve 18. Hi there, today we'll learn how to export your videos into MP4 using Davinci's application or the software. So what you need to do is when you are creating your own project or editing your video, what you can do first is go into media and download the video that you want to edit. Once you have the video uploaded, you can drag and drop this video into the timeline for you to be able to view the video. From here, what you need to do is you can go on the bottom portion of the screen where you can see cut. When you click on it, you just need to drag and drop the video into the timeline here. So once you can do that, you can pause the video on the upper right corner box. Once you're satisfied with editing the video that you have, you need to click on the rocket icon. That's the very end tool, and then you will be able to view this. On the left side panel are the options on how you wish to save your video. So you can rename the file. You also can input or browse into your computer on what folder you want the video to be saved in. From there, what you can do is under format, this is where you will be able to change the format into MP4. You can just click on the drop down button and then click on MP4. And you can also set up this resolution depending on what resolution you prefer. And most of it here is just your preference, like for the frame rates, the quality of the video that you want here. And once you are satisfied with all the settings, you can just click on add to queue, and then you can just click on render all, and then you just wait for the video to fully download and you will be able to save it or see the video onto the folder you saved it. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.